All right, this is another original song. Yeah, this is another original song. I'm gonna do a cappella. Just gotta get the other song out of my head real quick. I try looking around you for something of value. I try going around you, finding a different avenue. Every path leads back to you. Every single road leads home. Every path leads back to you. No matter what road I'm on, there was nothing without you. I was nothing without you. There is nothing without you. Nothing at all. For some time I've been asking to go away from this place, but I think I'll stay as long as you are here with me. As long as you stay, I know I'll be okay. I know I'll find better than good, better than okay. I'm living my life open, seeing more and hoping that the door will be open when I decide to try your way. I decide your way.